All right, language explorers. So let's look at English lipogram. So some sentences in English will not use a specific letter. So the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Notice the jumped. So there's fox, there's dog. There's fox. Where's dog? There we are. There's dog. Very good. Yeah. So yeah, but look, there's no S in the sentence. Jumped, not jumps. Very subtle. Noon rings out. So noon, midday. So noon. So let's get a ring or a bell. Bell. Yeah, here we are. Noon rings out. A wasp. A wasp. Making an ominous sound. A sound akin to a klaxon or a tocsin flits about. Yeah, klaxon. What's a klaxon? Okay, it's like a horn. Like this in a way. Here we are. There we are. Yeah. But look, the sentence has no E in it. A-E, E elephant, no E. So sometimes in English, we can get sentences that omit, remove certain letters. Why? Challenges, creativity, exploration, any particular reason. There's no reason not to. Yeah. No S. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. No E. Noon rings out. A wasp making an ominous sound. A sound akin to a klaxon or a tocsin flits about. No E. Yeah. So, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.